Grade 2 Representative, Bel Zoe Albaracin. Grade 3 Representative, Clarion Sarmiento. The Grade 4 Representative, ang pinakasikat sa lahat, Yuan Jorel C. Bagay. Grade 5 Representative, Devon Zeus H. Zacarias. And Grade 6 Representative, Saisa Joan T. Torrio.
For protocol officers, we have Zoe Ayesha A. De La Cruz and Mark Louis B. Gomez. For public information officer, we have Hardy C. Agdepa and Chantel R. Munoz. For auditor, Julio Martina R. Ilarin. Treasurer, RJ B. Portil. Secretary, Jane Rose O. Chua. For Vice President, Candy Scarlett M. Mecanio. And for President, Jaden Eli P. Calpino.